Right.
Fresh off-road adventure.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hello, peeps. I wish I recorded sooner. We just had to lift our bikes over that.
Yeah.
But I thought I'd start filming because I wasn't going to yet. But we got an off-road adventure.
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
Yeah. Ready as I'll ever be.
Oh. Because we are heading to Bath Soft Cheese Café. And instead of it taking us on a nice cycle track route, it's decided to take us across the country. So yeah, thank God I didn't buy the slicks. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no way. Fuck. Fuck, I don't know. Let's go see. It's worth having a look, innit? Yeah. Wait. Is a squelchy boy around here? Fuck! I'm assuming that that is a swamp. So we want to go around there. Okay?
Yeah.
Fuck. The problem with grass this long is I don't know where, like, big fucking divots are. Fucking hell, me! We fuck! Oh, right, so back on the path. Fuck! Jesus Christ! Oh, mate! Look at this!
We'll get in the cheek.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Jesus.
Oh, just roll it backwards.
My chain just came off, so that's great.
Just roll it back.
Jesus. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Following a sat nav. Yeah. Oh. God.
Chain back on.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
That was nuts. I did not expect it to be so deep. Like, I couldn't use the pedals eventually because
No.
the grass was up past the
Yeah.
pedals, so I was just
Oh.
that was an adventure. That was cool.
Maybe got 2 miles left. Yeah. We gotta get a step in. We got 15 minutes. Yeah. At least this bit ain't too bad. Just wish I didn't have my lock on the bike banging and clanging the whole way down. I'll put it in my, because I got a bag on me today, I'll put it in my bag on the way back. Oh, thank fucking Christ. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I've been stung about 100 times by these bloody stinging nettles. Yeah. Well, the thing is, I wasn't expecting to be in the bloody outback. Jesus. Bloody hell. I've never wanted full suspension more in my life. Thank you. Now, we're nearly back on the road at least. Oh, you're joking. No, it's locked. I can see the chain on it from here. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Oh. Fuck. I'm gonna just give it one more try.
Yeah, go in.
So I'm gonna, yeah.
Yeah, not under boundaries. Yeah, like that. And then if I come over and lift, there's nowhere that you can.
I can stay there. Because this is as far back as it will go.
I was thinking if I can get over that side and lift the wheel. No. And then scoot it round. Hold on.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, he's done it.
He's done it. Yeah. Oh fuck. Nice big scratch on me, yeah. Fuck.
How we get that? Like we can we?
Try and do the same thing. So hold the back brake and just pull upwards.
Push the hands when I get in.
Oh. No, that's front brake. Hang on, hold it there. Let this lady come through first. That's all right. Right, here comes the big boy then. Right, try and get his back wheel right in the back.
Yeah.
And then turn the handlebars to the left.
Yeah. And then scooch it round.
There we go. So now we can shut the gate on this side. There we go, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
I let go?
Yeah. Ooh. Right. There we go. Fuck me. Oh. Yeah. Fuck. Knackered. Oh. Right, ready? Yeah. You should never overtake on a bend. We got 0.6 miles left. Yeah. Oh. No. Oh. I'm fucked. Trying to look for somewhere to lock up. It is. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. No public access, innit? Should we go have a look in the car park again? Because we didn't actually go in the car park, did we? Yeah. Yeah. Fuck.
This fence.
I think it's electrified, isn't it?
No, this wooden one, I think.
Yeah, I think that's, is that not electric there? Or is that just rope?
Good. right.
Just right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down the end, or just this side, like you put the top, just put those there.
Yeah.
Right the back. Rain,
35 miles? Yeah, something like that. Trying to find a good place to lock them up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we got a table booked, yeah. Yeah?
Like, as if we had a parking spot here, just light them up.
No, just leave them out front where you can keep an eye on them.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go back around there then, mate.
Good idea.
Oh.
You hire them? Or
No, they're ours, yeah. Yeah, they're ours.
how much are those?
A lot, both of them together, about 4,700.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, his is slightly newer than mine, slightly cheaper.
Yeah.
But he's got rear suspension, so his ride down was a lot nicer than mine. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Just relying on a bigger butt.
Yeah, bigger butt. Yeah, softer tires. That's all. Yeah. Cheers. So you reckon it's just put them around the front? Yeah. Well, we're sitting inside for the plugs, aren't we? That's the problem.
Yeah.
How about if we put them here and just chain them together?
Yeah.
Because you got your lock thing, haven't you? You got your
That's fine with me.
Nah.
You can either sit there or.
Yeah. Yeah. See.
I've got one I can put our two front wheels together, and then the other one we can probably do one.